The highly anticipated release of One Punch Man World on PC has been met with frustration by many fans due to unexpected crashes and performance issues. Players have eagerly awaited to dive into the universe of Saitama and his unique cadre of heroes and villains, only to find their experience marred by technical difficulties. Reports have flooded online forums and social media platforms, with gamers detailing how the game either refuses to launch or crashes unexpectedly during gameplay. These issues seem to span a variety of PC configurations, indicating that the problem may lie within the game's optimization or compatibility with certain system setups. The development team has acknowledged the problem and has expressed their commitment to addressing these issues promptly. In the meantime, they recommend keeping all graphic drivers up to date and ensuring that PCs meet the game's minimum system requirements as temporary measures to mitigate some of these problems. Community members have also banded together to share potential workarounds, including altering game files, adjusting graphic settings, and running the game in different compatibility modes. While these solutions have provided relief to some players, the consensus remains that a permanent fix from the developers would be the most effective resolution. As One Punch Man World holds significant promise, delivering an immersive experience reflective of the beloved anime and manga series, both developers and fans are hopeful for a swift resolution to these technical setbacks. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.